So you have to spank your butt. You have to spank your little butt, Mikey. Come here. Give me that person butt. Gotta stick his booty. So he wants it. He asks for it. He craves the butt slaps. Look, he will not leave me alone. He will harass me until I slap his ass. See, and then you go to you, but then you don't slap his ass, so he comes back here. He comes where the ass slaps. Where the else?
You are literally so weird.
Charles. Charles, this is what he asked for. He wants the butt slaps. He wants the Percy butt slaps. Hey, I will slap it upon your booty. Slap that Percy booty. Look, he's a weird cat, Charles. He's a weird monkey. Look at him, he's like upside down. I will slap your Percy booty. I will slap the Percy booty. He's a monkey. You're a fucking monkey. You're a fucking crazy cat. You're fucking crazy. Come on, you're a person. Hiya. Your butt. So, do you see any complaints? He's not even like running. He doesn't like. So, if it was too hard, he would run. Yeah, I guess. There, that's half strength. 50% butt slap. What is 50%? That's a, what you said? You did, that is not that hard. Slap him. So it's like he likes it. Look at him. He's cuddled up to me. He likes his butt slapped. He likes his butt slapped. Oh God. He loves it. Oh God. He demands the butt slaps. He demands some Chili Bear. He needs the booty slappies. What? Look at him. See? See how much he loves it? Don't you like the butt slaps, Percy? See? Now he gets in my face if I don't slap his butt. See this, Chelsea? You see what happens? You see what happens, Chelsea? He's a weird cat. How come you don't ever talk about how weird of a cat he is? Huh? Yeah, he's a crazy cat. He knows he likes his butt spanked. It's not weird to him. He likes it. Just you don't appreciate what he likes. Ow! He stabbed me in the balls, which is cause. Ow! I don't like that person. Please don't stab me in the balls. Oh God. Oh Lordy. Alright, you're crossing the line, cat. You're crossing the line. Oh Lordy. You're cute though, Percy. Alright, Percy. Oh, Jesus Christ, on a cracker's ass. Oh my God. What are you working on now, Chili Bro? Oh, that same one you showed me? Oh, when does it do? Oh, is that one of your, because you're just like doing, where you're just like releasing and people can buy whatever, right? That's much. Oh, you have to get a ring in tomorrow? Yeah.